Hi out there, I hope everyone is well. Thank you so much for joining me back on my channel, old and new. Love to have you all here. So I have got another beauty unboxing for you. It's that time of month for the BIRCHBOX. Yes it is. And I have got something very special because I have not got one, I have not got two, but I have got 3 sold out BIRCHBOXes. You cannot get this box anymore. You can only get it through me. So if you want to see what is in June's BIRCHBOX and how you might be able to get your hands on one, then all you need to do is stay watching this video. After you've hit that thumbs up button, ring the notification bell, don't forget you can share this video when you're done, and subscribe to my channel. Most importantly, you don't want to miss that out, do you? Alright, let's get into the video. BIRCHBOX is $14.99 a month plus P&P. It is cruelty free, and you can also choose a vegan version if you want, or it'll just be the regular cruelty free version. And it's got 5 things in it, I think, every month, sometimes with an extra. I've just taken the paper out because you don't want to see what's in it too soon. This month I decided to get it because it has an extra special whole palette, eyeshadow palette from Laritzi, and I thought that sounds pretty good, so I thought I would get myself one. Now I also have one to give away, and this giveaway is going to run until I hit 350 subscribers. Well, BIRCHBOX is cruelty free, so I think that you need to say something about your favourite animal. Yeah, that'll do. So down below say, I want to enter the giveaway and what your favourite animal is. Follow all the normal rules, i.e. being subscribed to me, making sure you hit the thumbs up button. You need to be subscribed when I do the draw, otherwise if I can't see you, you won't be entered. You can have extra entries by going to my Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and liking this post, making sure you're following me on those, and do a picture of an animal as your entry. So when I hit 350 subscribers, one of these boxes will be given away to someone out there, somebody who's entered. So I don't know how long this giveaway will be on for, but it'll be on for a while. As for the other box, well, we'll come to that later. Inside this box, it's reminding you to refer people, because now with BIRCHBOX you can do referrals. I will put my code on screen. After you refer 3 people, you get a free box, so that's always handy. This is what is inside June's box. What do we think? Looks okay. So let's go through it one by one. Something else from my vintage cosmetics collection. And they are emery boards, mini emery boards. You might not think this is super exciting, but I tell you what, when you need one of these little babies and you don't have one, it's so annoying. I get quite a lot of ingrown nails, and I keep looking for boards to file down the edge of my nails so it's less painful, and I'm like, where are they? Where are they? So I am so happy to see these. What does it say? The Vintage Cosmetic Company loves all things vintage and has created a range of cosmetic accessories inspired by the glamour and charm of the 1950s. Beautifully produced and loved by makeup artists and celebrities alike, these darling products are sure to add pizzazz to any girl's collection. These handbag essentials will ensure you're never caught out with rough or jagged nails. Store these mini emery boards in the box to keep them neat and tidy, or pop one in your handbag for smoothing nails on the move. Right, what have we got next? I think this is a full size actually, this. So I've had one of these before. It's Towel Off Shampoo Foam, and it's coconut. Cleans and refreshes without water. It's kind of wet dry shampoo, I guess. Towel Off Shampoo Foam is a revolutionary way to get fresh, clean hair without using water. Just towel away oil and grease to experience that refreshed and rejuvenated feeling of just washed hair wherever you are. 0 water required, leaves hair fresh and clean, removes oil and odours, removes product build-up, infused with coconut scent, no streaks or sticky residues, fast and easy to use, suitable for all hair types. Soft clean hair anytime, anywhere. Made in the UK. Next is this. Never heard of this before. Kind of reminds me of a box of Staples. Choosy All Natural Chewing Gum. Choosy is 100% all natural and sugar-free chewing gum made with only 5 ingredients sourced from trees. It's got 10 sugar-free gum cubes in it. It's got xylitol, treacle, gum-based natural flavour, gum arabic, sunflower lecithin, No aspartame, no artificial sweeteners, no artificial flavours, no preservatives, no plastic gum base, just real ingredients. And that is good because we don't actually want to eat plastic, do we? So I can't really chew chewing gum because of my jaw pain. Chewing something repeatedly is really bad for me. It just really hurts, and I don't need it to hurt any more than it already does every second. So I'm going to give these to my husband, and I'm sure he'll be excited. Ooh, what is this? Hurrah! Sun Lip Balm. This looks remarkably like that other balm that we've been getting in this box. Oh, I wish I could remember what it was, but it looks exactly the same. It's SPF 15 and it's tangerine chamomile, which is cool. Oh, it smells delicious. Her Raw Balm launched in 2010 out of pure intent and obsession to create the perfect balm. Truly natural, vegan, made from premium raw and organic ingredients, it also had to meet some tough criteria. Long lasting, not sweet, never grainy, pocket melt proof, and the list goes on. To ensure the quality and integrity of our product, we manufacture fresh and individually pour each tube of Raw Balm in our dedicated NOP and EcoCert certified facility. Hand pour each one of these. Wow. Our priority is to make her Raw the finest balm available, a great product to be used by everyone regardless of lifestyle. Let's put the concept ahead of the profit, the user ahead of the maker, the collective ahead of the individual. That sounds like a great company. And it's got loads of information on like sustainability. We literally cannot get enough recycled post-consumer recycled material to make our chews. And they talk about all the ingredients in great detail. There's this YouTuber called Jen Loves Reviews, and she goes into all the details about all the ingredients and the chemicals and everything. She would love this brand because they lay it all out for you. They obviously are very proud of what they're doing. What is this? Dermadeli Rejuvenating Toner, freshens skin and tightens pores. This is not a brand I've heard of. It says a travel-friendly size rejuvenating toner. This spray is ready to go when you are. So our rejuvenating toner removes cellular debris, helps tighten pores and firms the skin. With a touch of witch hazel, moisture will be sealed in and your pores will be refined. Sea kelp also helps in keeping skin moisturised while calming skin. I don't know much about these people. In an attempt to help her daughter improve her complexion and overall skin health, Dermadeli's foundational products were developed by Joyce Wilkins, registered dietitian. After many hours of research, pumpkin and its countless benefits, either the consumption or by topical application, came to light. She learned about pumpkin seed serum and its ability to safely hydrate the skin, along with other amazing benefits. This magical serum, when properly blended with other natural ingredients, proved to be very effective and helped change her daughter's life. Similar results were reported back by other family and friends who used this unique solution. Smells nice. Fresh, nice, yeah. I think I would like to put that on my face. That's fine. Now for our grand prize. The thing at least the main event of this box. Anyway, this is it. So this is the new palette by Liable Cosmetics. It's new nude eyeshadow collection. And it is full size. You can buy it on their website right now. So Liable is a cruelty-free, I think they're vegan as well, cosmetics company based in Canada. This is what it looks like. It's like hard plastic case. Not so keen on the case, but it's what's inside that counts. So there we go. We have got 12 shades. And I make that 3 shimmers, and then we've got one that has a bit of sparkle to it, and then the rest look like mattes to me. Okay, let's look at the shimmers. That's the exciting bit, isn't it? So that's what they look like. Oh, they look shiny. They look nice and opaque. Yeah, I like them. Right, I can't keep my arm up much today, so I'm not going to do a lot of swatching. Sorry, too painful. But yes, this is what we have. I'm not a super fan of just a nudes palette, just because I don't always just do nudes, but I can see that we've got definitely a variety. You know, we've got a few cool tone browns, we've got more warm tone ones, we've got some shimmers, so you can definitely make a bunch of looks with this. So I think a lot of people will really enjoy this. I'm definitely going to get use out of this. So that was our final item, and the grand total for this box, are you ready? £50.67. That is pretty darn good, isn't it? Like, I think it's normally £18 something, including P&P, and we have 2.5 times the value. So I am very happy with that. Obviously, the majority of the value is in the palette, so if it's not the palette for you, you might think, everything else is a bit small. But looking at the actual items, I am really interested in that chewing gum, because although I can't use it, husband likes it, and if I can get him onto better chewing gum, I'll be happy. I'm really so happy to have the Vintage Cosmetics emery boards. I need them desperately in my life. I love the lip balm, looking forward to trying out the toner, and also the can't think of the word, eyeshadow palette. Looks really good quality. Like, looking at the colours, they're still there, still shining. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using it. The towel shampoo I probably won't use, but I might. I mean, I don't know when exactly I'd use it. I suppose maybe if my husband didn't want to get wet when he's helping me wash my hair. Maybe that's the time. But yeah, I think this box is really nice. 50p from every box sale goes to the charity Animal Free Research UK. So you're also donating to charity whilst getting your beauty products. So let me know down below, what do you think of this month's box? Is it good? Are you desperate to get your hands on one? Are you going to enter my giveaway and make sure that you do get one? Because there's no other way to get this box. So if these are the things you want, you know what you need to do. You need to be getting in on the action. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. And if you want to know what's going to happen to that other box, you're just going to have to keep an eye on my channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. Alright, bye guys.